my name is Irsa Sofia binti Shahrin, and this is my project. I asked the AI to create a riddle game where we can give a riddle and the user can guess, but they only have 3 hints so they can guess the right answer. And in the end, if it's wrong, then we have a notification that will say it's wrong and tell you the correct answer. Instead of finding 5 riddles, I asked the AI to make 5 riddles for the game. And now to index t.s, I asked the AI to explain the code for me. I also asked the AI to make the background pastel red to make it look nicer. So in this riddle game, you can click new riddle to start. What gets better and better the more it dries. You can press get hint to get 3 hints to figure out what's the answer. You can also type in and then when you then type in the answer in the text box and submit it. And if you're correct, it will congratulate you. And if you get wrong, the it will give you a notification that it is wrong and tells you the correct answer. This project you can get some riddles to do for fun, and the AI helped me to make this entire game. Thank you.